Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best grout cleaner is probably one of the most underrated cleaning tools you can have in your arsenal. If you're tired of scrubbing grout lines by hand, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of electric grout cleaner brushes, exploring their features, and seeing if they live up to the hype. Get ready to say goodbye to backbreaking scrubbing and hello to sparkling clean tiles. Number 5. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. This is the ultimate cleaning tool. It comes with multiple heads for various surfaces, making your cleaning tasks easier than ever. The package includes a powered handle, a multi-purpose head, a grout cleaning head, and 4 AA batteries. It has everything you need to get started right away. The oscillating head scrubs 60 times per second, quickly removing grime. It will restore surfaces to their original shine with minimal effort. Designed to scrub up to 2x faster than manual scrubbing, it reduces strain. This allows you to get your cleaning done quicker, giving you more free time. Its robust water resistance ensures reliability in any cleaning situation. You can confidently use it in wet environments without worry. Perfect for tight spaces in your home. It's ideal for faucets, drains, sinks, tiles, and grout in the bathroom and kitchen appliances. It's not just for indoors. Tackle outdoor cleaning projects too. Use it on your patio furniture, car trim, and even your golf clubs. What we like? This scrubber boasts intense cleaning power, scrubbing at an impressive 60 times per second. It's also water resistant, making it reliable in any cleaning situation. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile cleaner for both indoor and outdoor tasks, this is the one for you. What people say? It's a powerhouse, efficient, quick, and easy to use, with no hassle at all. I like that the heads with varying bristles are interchangeable. It definitely cleans hard to reach places. Number 4. IEZFIX Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber. Tired of traditional cleaning tools? This cordless spin scrubber is lightweight and easy to use anywhere. It helps you clean surfaces without getting tired. This electric spin scrubber comes with 4 different brush heads. The dome brush is great for the bathtub, and the flat brush is perfect for floors and tiles. There's also a pointed brush for corners and a cloth brush for drying. Cleaning can be efficient and easy with this power scrubber. It saves you time and effort, easily removing grime. It's a great tool for cleaning your kitchen and shower. The ergonomically designed handle makes cleaning effortless, saving your knees and back. With a high-torque motor, it produces powerful cleaning to remove stains. It helps you save labor and care for your joints. We ensure the quality of the items before shipping. If you have any issues, contact the seller for one-on-one support. Buy with confidence. What we like? This electric spin scrubber is cordless and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. It comes with multiple brush heads for various cleaning needs. If you like a hassle-free cleaning experience with different brush heads to tackle different surfaces, this is the perfect choice. What people say? The brush heads are useful for different surfaces, and the main scrub head delivers enough power to get a deep clean without having to put your back into it. The cordless design makes it easy to move from shower walls to the tub without tangling cords everywhere. I love that it comes with multiple brush heads, one for corners, one for wide surfaces, and one that's perfect for the sink area. This comes with 4 different attachments. I really like it because it saves me a little bit of effort. I don't have to manually scrub so hard. Number 3. Scrub Brush Set of 3 PCS, Cleaning Shower Scrubber. This set includes 3 scrub brushes, perfect for tackling various cleaning tasks. They are designed to make your cleaning routine more efficient and effective. These brushes are versatile and can be used on multiple surfaces. You can use them in the bathroom, shower, kitchen, and even on floors and bathtubs. The ergonomic rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip, even when wet. It allows you to apply the right amount of pressure for effective cleaning. The durable bristles are designed to last. They are tough enough to remove grime and dirt, yet gentle enough not to scratch surfaces. These brushes are incredibly easy to use. Simply apply your cleaning solution and scrub away. It's that simple. What we like? This set provides you with 3 brushes, each designed for different cleaning tasks. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the durable bristles provide effective cleaning. If you are looking for a simple and effective cleaning solution, this set is a great option. What people say. I love the variety for all types of cleaning. Very sturdy brushes for scrubbing. The different sizes work great to get into all different areas, and the bristles are firm enough to get everything clean without causing damage. In particular when cleaning shower tiles, the bathtub, sinks and tile floors, you will find these brushes provide excellent surface area contact, so as you scrub, you know your brushes are hitting the areas necessary to end with a clean finish. Number 2. Cleaning Drill Brush Set, Bathroom Accessories. This cleaning brush set is cordless, which means you can take it anywhere. It is powered by a drill, providing convenience and flexibility. Made from durable nylon material, this product is built to last. You can rely on it for long-lasting use. This brush set can be used on many surfaces. It is perfect for tile, tubs, showers, sinks, and toilets. Featuring a round scrubbing head and a comfortable grip, this product is easy to use. It makes cleaning simple. With a diameter of 4.5 inches and a length of 6 inches, it is easy to store. You can easily transport it around the house. What we like. This cleaning drill brush set features a cordless design, offering convenience and flexibility. It's constructed from durable nylon material, ensuring long-lasting use. If you have a cordless drill and want to make your cleaning tasks easier, this is a great choice. What people say. The brushes attach seamlessly to any cordless drill, transforming it into a powerful scrubber. The round shape and different sizes make it easy to reach into corners and tight spaces, ensuring a thorough clean. Used with a good convertible top soap, it removes dirt and particles that eventually ruin the canvas surface. Number 1. Dovety Electric Spin Scrubber. Introducing the Dovety Electric Spin Scrubber. It's designed to make your cleaning tasks easier. Say goodbye to bending and scrubbing, and hello to a more relaxed cleaning experience. This scrubber offers 2 speeds to tackle different messes. You can easily switch between them to suit your needs. It saves you time and effort. The extendable handle adjusts from 14 to 53.5 inches, so you can reach any corner without bending. It's lightweight and comfortable to use, making cleaning a breeze. It comes with 8 replaceable brush heads for various cleaning scenarios. Each brush head is designed to get into corners and remove stains effectively. Use it all around your home. The scrubber features a new battery display and fast Type-C charging. A full charge takes only 2 to 3 hours and provides up to 90 minutes of use. It's convenient and efficient. What we like. This electric spin scrubber offers dual speed settings for efficient cleaning. It features an extendable handle, allowing you to reach hard-to-access areas. If you are looking for a versatile and adjustable cleaning tool, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The different brush heads are fantastic. The flat one is perfect for large surfaces like the shower walls and floors. The corner brush gets right into those tricky edges around the sink and toilet, and the dome brush is amazing for curved areas. The motor is powerful, and the 8 replaceable brush heads make it super versatile. The extension handle makes reaching tough spots effortless, and the USB-C charging is a huge plus. No weird charger needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.